It's fun getting up on the cruise ship. Everyone's asleep. It's like 4:30 in the morning, and I can do these crazy things without anybody being bothered with it. I can film quietly and pensively and think things through. And I was just thinking about stage work. From the time I was in junior high school, all through high school, and then I had the desire to sing and to be a performer. Little did I know that God had a ministry in mind for my life. And these lights are wandering to and fro throughout the whole platform, and then focusing on the stage where the entertainment is done here during the day into the early evening. This is somewhat of a nightclub right here on the Norwegian cruise ship. And I was meditating upon the fact that when I started ministry, I asked the Lord to open doors and give me opportunity. And then He led me to that passage in Chronicles that says, the eyes of the Lord go to and fro throughout the whole earth to show Himself strong on behalf of those whose heart is towards Him. And I said, Lord, I'm one of those. I don't want to do secular pursuits. I want to do ministry pursuits. I want to do things that are eternal in nature. And so I asked Him to have His eyes stop at me for a season of my life, to allow me to be Little Bear and communicate and travel all around America. God was so faithful and so amazing. He opened up 50 states, 11 countries. I spoke in several of those countries, and God has been faithful to give me a platform to glorify His name in the Little Bear way, through costuming, and even now through Drone Bear Paws with this little thing that I'm doing at the age of 71. So my life has tried to have been redemptive, seeking ways that I can serve the Lord. So I'm off the platform, and I've learned to step down and to just trust God and let others rise up. John the Baptist said well of Jesus, He must increase and I must decrease. I know that my life on earth is waning. I'm on the last quarter of my life, and I'm trying to make it count by still speaking on behalf of God. But I'm so thankful to the Lord that He has opened and closed doors that were necessary for my ministry, my life, for Him and for His glory. And that's been my desire. Many of you know me, and you know my heart, and you know my intention has been to let others be strong in the Lord and use the gifts and callings that God has placed on me, not for pursuits of self, but for the pursuits of those that can know Jesus in a more deep, intimate way. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.